The rotary furnace, the magical equipment for aluminum ash treatment, has many significant advantages. The precise temperature control ensures that the aluminum ash is fully melted. The efficient heat transfer system greatly improves the aluminum recovery rate, and its robust and durable structure can run stably for a long time and reduce the maintenance cost. Moreover, the advanced environmental protection design reduces the impact on the environment. Under the magic of the rotary furnace, the aluminum ash, which was originally regarded as a waste, gets a new lease of life, which reduces the cost for the enterprise and contributes to the environmental protection cause at the same time.